Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. You get up early in the morning and you fight your laziness. It requires an effort. Ask those who are not used to getting up in the morning for Salatul Fajr. They will tell you it is so difficult, whereas once you get yourself into a routine, Allah has created man in a way that the body becomes used to something, and without the need of an alarm clock at that moment, your eye will open. You don't need anyone to remind you because the routine is there. You are now accustomed to getting up at this time. Your body knows there is an automatic body clock. It will get up. No one reminded you. How many times have we gotten up prior to the alarm that we set 1 minute and you turn off the alarm so it didn't disturb perhaps the little children, whoever else it may be? That's amazing. So ask Allah to save you from laziness and inability. So my brothers and sisters, if you want to wake up during Fajr without any alarm, go to sleep early. Make it a daily routine and eat healthy food. Don't eat just before sleeping. When you're sleeping early, you wake up early. When you maintain a routine, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will automatically make you wake up during that time of Fajr. You don't even need an alarm clock. Start having a healthy lifestyle, maintain a routine, and you will see everything is becoming easy for you. And start your day early. You will see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving barakah in your life. Allah is giving barakah in your time, and you will have a rejuvenation in yourself. You will have a good boost in your morality, and you will have a physical boost when you start working early after Fajr. So make it a habit of waking up early, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make it easy for you. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. And please like this video, comment on this video, and share with others. Thank you so much.